If you're watching now, this is an extreme flood in Andhra Pradesh, India. Extreme flooding was witnessed in Tirupati. Floods left hundreds of pilgrims stranded as heavy downpour lashed the temple town of Andhra Pradesh.
Extreme flooding was witnessed in Tirupati.
Water levels in several areas of Tirupati, Tirumala and the rest of the district have increased to alarming levels. Residents left their home in search of safety.
Everyday life in low-lying areas.
The two gate roads leading to the Tirumala hills were closed for traffic following the flood and landslides. The pedestrian stairway leading to the temple was also closed.
Anyone coming behind me there?
A landslide damaged 3 rooms at a guest house complex. Everyday life in low-lying area went into total disarray because of water blocking basic movement as well due to the downpour. Landslides were triggered on the Kanuma route to Tirumala. The Tirupati International Airport at Rainfall also remained inundated. Forcing the authority to stop landing of incoming aircraft. Moreover, 4 relief camps have been arranged. Fire and police departments have also been placed on standby to evacuate people from inundated localities.